But yes,
Many.
I agree that there are idols floating around. We have approached the village biodiversity committees, and we have asked them to collect the idols. They have some have started collecting, and we will collect from there and we will send it to the plant at Saligam. As I've always been saying, government on its own cannot implement these type of things. We can try, but then you and I have to walk hand in hand. One side is these idols have sneaked into the state. These idols have been made in some parts of the state. I had appealed to the public. Don't patronize. Don't buy. So one side, you see, you are saying this, yes. But then if you get cooperation from the public, if, for example, the public boycott this, next year nobody is going to bring these idols. Monitoring system has to be strengthened. You have laws in place, you have rules in place, you have everything in place. But that little support from public, if we get, will give a tremendous boost. Boycott the idol. Don't buy that idol.
Don't buy PoP.
If you don't buy it next year, nobody is going to bring it. There's no demand.